Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I got a box in yesterday from Luisa and it was a Destash, so I'm excited to share. And it was a paper Destash, so you know I love paper. Oh my gosh, oh my god, it's falling everywhere. Okay, super excited. Whoop whoop. Yes, I got the tags. Okay, the funny thing is she posted this Destash early in the morning and it just so happens I was awake when she posted it, so I don't think anybody really got a chance to to take a peek at her Destash because I snatched it up as soon as I saw it. So these are the what are these called? Chipboard tags that everybody got from Michael's. So I don't go to Michael's as much as I would love to. It's just too far away for me. So I picked it up as soon as I saw that was in her stash. I grabbed it, and these are the tags. So this was with the, I think this goes with the like the magical what is that called, paper pad, the 12 by 12. Don't quote me on it, you guys probably know more than I do because I just see everybody's hauls from Michael's and I'm like, oh, I want that, I want that, I want that. But I never go. So this is what it looks like, and I love it because it's the purple paper pad. Purple anything is my favorite. Purple and pink. So very cute. You've got the fairies, you've got like marbling, and you got butterflies, and I believe there were some unicorns in there, but I don't have that, and mermaids. Okay, so she also had in her Destash were these awesome cards. So you got some ice cream cones, some purple stripes, right up my alley, and treat yourself. I love these, and these are all blank inside. And you've got some yellow stripe cards. You know, summertime's coming up, everybody loves summer. Yes, please. And you're so sweet, and I'm loving this because when it's time for, you know, Happy Mail or swaps or anything that I wish to join, I can have some little cards in there also. She also had some Dollar Tree wall decals, and I love these mermaids. So it used to be like this, and there were two other girls on the back, but you know, it's a Destash, so you're gonna have some used stuff, which I don't mind because this would be so awesome in a book. And she also had a brand new Bella Boulevard 6x8 paper pad. Look at that, isn't that fun? Look at the whales, super cute. And it's, look at pretty prints, and they're double-sided. So I think that, yeah, the other side is actually a solid color. I've never purchased a pad like this, 6x8, but I think these are, oh, I love the little mermaids. They're all different colors. I love the multicultural that people are starting to, you know, have in their collections. It just makes it more real world, you know? And then it just repeats, which is super awesome. I love it. Oh yeah, she got this at Tuesday morning. So pretty, love that. And then there's another paper pad that's almost all gone, but there's supposed to be some really good, some really good scraps in here. And you can use these, look at the little unicorns. You can use them for tags, embellishments. I love this print, mermaid and unicorn, more unicorns. Gorgeous scraps. I don't care how small they are, you can still make use of them. And I have, oh, it's so pretty. There you go, seashells, mermaids, More of that print that I love. Ooh, waves. Pretty. Pretty, pretty. It's gorgeous. Love it. I love it. And you know what I love about this is that I'm getting so much for my money. She made it very affordable. And she said, oh, this is a brand new pad. This is Girls Rule, brand new pad. This is another brand new pad, and it's unicorns and rainbows. Very pretty. Very pretty. I've not seen this. I've never purchased this, so I'm gonna open that up. Destash is the way to go. Probably would have spent more money going to the stores, like I said, and buying it at full price. That wouldn't have been fun. So let's see this pretty paper. Thank you, Luisa. And here's yet another brand new pad, and look at how thick that is. And this is paper, oh, Purific is what it is, by Recollections. And I think there's some in here with, okay, single-sided print. So this is a little, well, actually it feels the same as this. This one feels like cardstock, right? And then this one is like a heavier paper. Dying for some sun. Hello summer. Of course, that's on the very top. Cute. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paper pads, guys. Oh, and here's that magic hour, which I have this collection. I paid for this collection at the hot buy price, which was $9.99. And yes, I loved it. I actually used it for a challenge for let me see, what is her name? I can't remember her name, but this pad I love. Look at all the shades of purple, and I totally used that page, that cut out page. Lily on Crafting with Lillard, that's her name. I used it for her challenge last year, and this is gorgeous, guys. If you love purple like I love purple, oh gosh, yes. And I have just as many cut aparts, scraps left over. I could use it. I could definitely use it because that is a favorite pad. And the last paper pad that was in here, and this is Scraps, also a hot buy, Stay Magical. So you could see the theme of where she was going. Ooh, this is so cute. Look at the unicorn. So pretty. I think she said she got this from Party City. I'm not sure. But it's double-sided, very cute. Look at that wrapping paper. That. Sorry guys. All right, so I'll see you all on the next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.